Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change paragraph spacing on Squarespace. This is a really useful skill if you want more control over how your text looks and flows on your website, making it easier to read and more visually appealing. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main dashboard where you can see all your websites and projects. Now that you're on the dashboard, simply click on the website where you want to change the paragraph spacing. This will open up the editor for that specific site, giving you access to all the customization options you need. On the left side menu, click on Website. This is where all your site settings and editing tools live. Under the website section, you'll see several options, so go ahead and click on Pages. This allows you to navigate through your site structure and manage content across different pages. Next, focus again on the left side menu and look for Custom Code. Click on it to expand the options. Under Custom Code, you'll see Custom CSS, so click on that. This is where you can add your own styling rules to override the default Squarespace formatting and really tailor your site's appearance to your preferences. Now here's where the magic happens. I have a sample CSS code ready for you that controls paragraph spacing. Feel free to pause the video right now so you can copy the code exactly as it appears. Once you've copied it, paste it into the custom CSS field. The code includes a line height property, which you can adjust to whatever spacing will suit your paragraph best. If you want tighter spacing between lines, use a smaller value. For more breathing room, increase the value slightly. After you've pasted the code and adjusted the line height to your liking, click Save. This will apply your custom paragraph spacing across your site. Give it a moment to process and update so your changes are properly saved and reflected on your live site. And that's it. You've successfully customized the paragraph spacing on your Squarespace website, giving your content a more polished and professional look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.